So today in Maryland, it's 30 degrees, snow. Feels like the exact same thing as 30 degrees, wind, nothing. Visibility 1 mile, barometer 30.28 inch, humidity 100%, and then dew point 30 degrees. So today in this YouTube recording weather, it's going to be a winter storm warning. So as a matter of fact, we're going to check it out. So winter storm warning around today, around January 7:08 to February 2nd, which is around 6. So around Anne Arundel, Carroll, Cecil, Central and Southwest Howard, Frederick, Northern Baltimore, Northwest Hartford, Northwest Howard, Northwest Montgomery, Southeast Hartford, Southern Baltimore, and Washington. All right, let's go over to the radar as usual. So let's start off with radar forecast. So the radar forecast is going to be showing snow. So we're going to take a look. So we're gonna take a look at the Doppler Radar, which is the radar forecast. And look, Maryland, I was right. Snowing around Maryland. Virginia showing snowing outside. And if you look, the pink one's showing in West Virginia and Virginia, and even North Carolina is showing snow and rain. There are a lot of snow where you live because of the winter storm and snowstorm. So in this YouTube recording weather, we're going to be doing a snowstorm forecast. So it's called a snowstorm forecast. So in Maryland, there are different directions that are moving along the northeast side. So West Virginia is showing snow, like I've been telling you. New York showing snow. Illinois showing snow and rain. Pennsylvania is showing snow, which is on the blue stuff. And Delaware is showing the green, not the green one, but the blue one showing snow. So we're gonna have a snow advisory. Now, as usual for this precipitation, because it's 0.01 heading and approaching towards Maryland, Delaware, Pennsylvania, New York, not New Hampshire, but Indiana, Illinois, Michigan, West Virginia, and Virginia, North Carolina. The green one showing North Carolina and South Carolina. So directions of precipitation is heading on the eastbound side and the northeast side, and it's approaching towards and pushing through the East Coast and the Midwest and the South and the West Coast. As a matter of fact, we're gonna zoom in. We're gonna zoom out, and you can see here Washington, Oregon showing the precipitation. Kentucky and Tennessee showing the precipitation. The ocean side is showing the precipitation as well. Even the Atlantic Ocean, you can see that. Now the satellite white stuff is in Pennsylvania, New York, where you live, which is in Delaware and Maryland. Massachusetts on the white stuff, Connecticut, Rhode Island, North Carolina, South Carolina, Virginia, West Virginia, Michigan, Ohio, Indiana, Illinois, Tennessee, and Kentucky and Minnesota, and even Michigan, and so on and so forth for this satellite. The satellite white stuff is in the northeast side, pushing through the East Coast. So the clouds are going to be on the eastbound side, so which is in Maryland, Delaware, New York, New Hampshire, Tennessee, Kentucky. There are so much clouds where you live in Maryland because of the snow advisory, and a snowstorm is going to be coming around 6. We're going to check this out. And you can see here in the United States, there's going to be a lot of snow, which is in everywhere in the United States where you live. The South, East Coast, Midwest, and finally the West Coast. And finally, temperatures. Temperatures are showing in the state of Maryland, which is in the green one and the blue one. The blue one and the green one. The green one showing 50, and then the blue one showing 30s. But if we mix it, it's going to be 30s right here in Maryland. Because right now in Maryland, it's showing 30s right here in snow. Because the temperatures are showing cold outside. Because it's very, very cold outside where you live in Maryland and Delaware, and even the rest of the United States. They're going to be the green one and the blue one in the United States. On the South, the West Coast, the Midwest, and even like I've been mentioning, you guys, East Coast. The blue one, the green one, because some are going to be blue, some are going to be green, some are going to be yellow because it's not going to be hot, but sometimes it'll be cold. All right. So let's go over to the degrees. So where you live in Maryland it's going to be 30 snow. Riverside 32. Perryville showing the exact same thing, just up 30. Falston 32. Dundalk 32. Catonsville 28. Aberdeen 31, Rosedale 32, Pikeville 28, Jarbotown 32, Forest Hill 30, Easton 32, Charlestown 30, Aberdeen Proving Ground 31, Reisterstown 30, Prairie Hall 32, Jarrettsville 30, Fairleigh 32, Darlington 30, Bel Air 29, White Marsh 32, Rising Sun 27, Owens Mills 30. Happy Grace 31, Essex 32, Conowingo 30, Baltimore 32, Woodlawn 28, Queenstown 30, Ocean City 34, Hagerstown 29, Ellicott City 30, Chestertown 32, Arbutus 30, Towson 32, Reynoldstown 30, Glen Burnie 32, Elbridge 30, Churchville 29, Annapolis 30, Savage 30, Port Deposit, same thing. Keenville, 32. Frederick, 30. Edgewood, 32. Chesapeake City, 28. Abingdon, 32. And Elton, 28. And finally, Northeast, 30. Because, mostly in Maryland where you live, it's going to be on the 30s. But some are going to be over the 20s, which, like I've been mentioning, you guys, 28 degrees. Some where you live. So we have one more January to go to, and tomorrow's going to be February. So for the final January, average high 45 degrees, average low 25 degrees, record high 72 degrees 2002, record low -6 degrees 1985. Rainy days 12 days, rainfall 3.42 inch, snow days 3 days, sunshine 6 hours a day, and then sea temp 43 degrees. Sunrise 7:15 a.m. and sunset 5:27 p.m. So let's go to the forecast, because today is going to be snow around 33. Tomorrow on February it's going to be 35 degrees snow. And look, tomorrow's going to be Black History Month. And here's the rest of the forecast. Tuesday is going to be 36 degrees, another snow. Wednesday is going to be 35 degrees, partly sunny. Thursday is going to be partly sunny around 36. Friday is going to be the same thing as 45. Saturday is going to be 42 around partly sunny. Partly sunny around 33. And following Monday is going to be mostly sunny. And Tuesday is going to be sunny. Now we will break it down because of this icon of the degrees. So we're going to break it down. Sunday, tomorrow, Tuesday, it's going to be snow. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, it's going to be partly sunny. And then Monday, Tuesday, it's going to be sunny, but it's going to be mostly sunny around Monday. And the only sunny we're going to get is on the following Tuesdays. All right, guys, stay safe with the snow days.